Ready to level up your cooking without breaking a sweat? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify prep, boost flavor, and make every meal feel effortless. From chopping to storing to serving, they do the hard work so you can enjoy the fun part. All links are in the description. Tiny but mighty, that's the whole idea here. This mini electric chopper takes the boring part out of cooking by handling the chopping for you. Just pop in your garlic, peppers, nuts, or veggies and press the top. It spins to life instantly. The stainless steel blades slice fast and clean, giving you full control over how fine you want your mix. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, and perfect when you want fresh prep without dragging out a big processor. Some jars act like they've signed a no-opening contract. This clever little tool says otherwise. A soft silicone band hugs the lid tight, giving you the grip you've always wished you had. Pull the handle, and the lid twists open with almost no effort. It works on sauce jars, drink bottles, and those stubborn containers that usually fight back. Lightweight, durable, and comfy to hold. You'll wonder how you ever open jars without it. Cafe-style crepes without the fuss. This little electric crepe maker heats up in about 30 seconds, so you can go from batter to breakfast almost instantly. Just preheat, dip the surface into the included batter tray, and flip. Thin, perfectly even crepes slide right off the nonstick plate. It keeps the temperature steady on its own, so nothing burns, and cleanup is as simple as a quick wipe. Your fingers don't have to suffer for your shopping anymore. This simple carrier turns a handful of cutting bag handles into one smooth, comfy grip. Just hook your bags on and lift. The weight spreads out evenly, so you can carry more with less strain. It's sturdy enough for heavy groceries, yet light enough to slip into your pocket. Perfect for takeout nights, market trips, or any time you're juggling too many bags at once. Meet the toaster that literally glows smarter. This high-speed touchscreen toaster uses Insta-GLO tech to heat instantly, giving you that perfect combo. Crispy outside, soft inside. Choose your bread type on the full-color display. Yes, even gluten-free. Pick your shade, and it auto-adjusts the time and temperature for you. No guessing, no drying out, no burnt edges. Meet the little penguin that pops bottles like a pro. Just set it on top, press down, and you get a clean pop in one smooth motion. The magnet inside catches the cap instantly, so nothing flies, drops, or rolls away. Built with sturdy steel and comfy plastic, it's ready for parties, camping trips, or your kitchen counter. Fast, fun, and mess-free, it turns every bottle into a tiny moment of magic. Washing veggies doesn't have to feel like a splash zone. This rotating colander lets you rinse, drain, and pour without losing a single tomato. The inner basket tilts smoothly, sending water out while keeping everything inside the bowl. A comfy handle gives you steady control, even when it's full. Made from sturdy, BPA-free plastic, it handles daily kitchen duty with ease. Perfect for fruits, greens, pasta, anything that needs a quick wash and drain. Who says great espresso has to stay in the kitchen? This portable brewer brings the cafe to you, whether you're on the road, at the campsite, or sitting at your desk. Just add water, tap one button, and it heats and brews a rich shot with 20 bar pressure for that smooth, creamy finish. It works with ground coffee or pods, so you can sip your favorite blend anywhere. Grime doesn't stand a chance when this scrubber kicks into gear. With one press, it spins fast and does the hard scrubbing for you, so your arms don't have to. 2 speed modes help you tackle everything from light soap scum to deep-set dirt in minutes. 6 interchangeable heads reach corners, tiles, sinks, windows, anywhere dirt likes to hide. Lightweight, long-lasting, and splash-proof, it turns cleaning day into a quick, painless win. Snack Time gets a serious upgrade with this all-in-one mini board. 8 tidy compartments let you pack cheeses, fruits, nuts, and treats without anything mixing or getting soggy. The airtight latch keeps everything crisp and fresh, even on long trips. It's lightweight, compact, and slips easily into a backpack. For picnics, beach days, or office breaks. Wherever you go, you've got a neat little snack spread ready to enjoy. Ready to speed run meal prep? This rotary grater turns a simple crank into a shredding powerhouse. Drop in cheese, veggies, nuts, then spin the handle and watch fresh shreds pour out in seconds. 3 snap-in blades let you slice, shred, or grind without ever getting your hands near the sharp parts. A strong suction base keeps everything steady, so nothing slips while you work. When you're done, the whole thing pops apart for a quick rinse and you're back to cooking. Say goodbye to loose egg cartons sliding around your fridge. This rolling organizer lines your eggs up neatly, then lets gravity bring the next one forward every time you take one out. 4 smooth tiers hold up to 56 large eggs, keeping your fridge tidy without eating up shelf space. It's made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic that stands up to daily use. Ideal for fridges, cabinets, or countertops. A simple upgrade that keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Meet the scoop that finally gets your batter to behave. No drips, no mess, no guessing, just clean, perfect portions every time. Its curved cup holds the batter until you press the slider, sending it straight into your cupcake pan like a tiny batter elevator. The silicone plunger wipes the sides as it moves, so nothing sticks or strings. It's lightweight, BPA-free, and pops right into the dishwasher when you're done. Boiling pots behave badly until you tame them with these clever silicone lids. They sit on top of your pot or bowl and stop messy splatters before they even start. Heat-resistant silicone handles everything you throw at it. Boiling soups, reheating leftovers, even steaming veggies when you flip it into basket mode. Each lid flexes to fit pots, pans, cups, jars, pretty much any container in your kitchen. When you're done, toss them in the dishwasher and hang them up to dry. Goodbye, greasy glugs. Hello, perfect mist. This clever oil sprayer gives you total control. Spray when you want a light, even coating, or pour when you need a steady stream. The clear glass body lets you see exactly how much is left, and the wide opening makes refilling easy with 0 drips. Each spray releases a tiny, controlled amount, helping you use just the right portion every time. It's durable, reusable, and keeps your hands clean thanks to its comfy handle and forward-facing nozzle. Flipping breakfast shouldn't feel like a circus trick. These clever spatula tongs grab your food gently, flip it smoothly, and keep everything in one piece. The thin, flexible edge slides under eggs, pancakes, or fish without breaking a thing. Heat-safe nylon stays non-stick and comfy in your hand, so you cook cleanly and confidently. When you're done, toss them in the dishwasher and call it a day. Peeling tiny fruits shouldn't feel like a chore. Drop your grapes or cherry tomatoes inside, hit one button, and watch this little machine do the work for you in seconds. A smooth rolling motion removes the skin without squishing anything, so everything stays juicy and perfect. It runs cordless and rechargeable, letting you prep anywhere: counter, table, even outdoors. The chamber pops apart for quick rinsing, keeping things clean and hygienic. Dull knives slow you down, but this sharpener brings them back to life in seconds. Just pull your blade through the slots and watch it regain its smooth, confident edge. 4 stages take care of everything: rough shaping, fine polishing, and even sharpening scissors when you need it. The sturdy base grips the counter, and the ergonomic handle keeps your hand steady and safe. Tiny kitchen? No problem. This clever hanging bin folds flat when you don't need it and pops open when you do. Hook it onto a cabinet, a drawer, or even a bathroom door to catch scraps right where you're working. It keeps counters clean, saves floor space, and makes meal prep way easier. Lightweight, portable, and simple to empty, just unhook and dump. A small bin with big convenience, ready to follow you anywhere in the house. Greasy soup ruining the moment? Not anymore. This smart ladle lets you lift away unwanted oil in one smooth scoop. Its curved design pulls fat to the top and traps it, leaving your broth clear and your sauces richer. Light, sturdy, and safe with hot liquids, it works for skimming, straining, and serving, all in one tool. The handle feels comfy in your hand, even when the pot is bubbling. Rinse it off or pop it in the dishwasher, and you're done. Fresh corn deserves more than a wrestling match. Slip this little gadget over the cob, give it a twist, and watch the kernels fall off in perfect rows. The blades stay safely inside, so even kids can help without worry. Stainless steel does the cutting. You get a bowl full of golden kernels in seconds. It's small enough to tuck in any drawer and pops into the dishwasher when you're done. Fast, safe, and surprisingly fun. Corn prep just got an upgrade. Cooking suddenly feels like magic. This all-in-one kitchen helper replaces more than 20 gadgets in one smart machine. You can chop, steam, blend, sauté, weigh, and mix without switching tools. Guided steps show you exactly what to do on a bright touchscreen, so every meal turns out just right. Built-in Wi-Fi unlocks thousands of recipes, helps you plan meals, and even builds shopping lists for you. Perfect slices without the squish. That's the magic of this little cutter. Set your egg, or strawberry, or mushroom, or cheese inside. Press down, and you get clean. Even pieces in one easy motion. Stainless steel wires do the work while the sturdy base keeps everything steady. It's lightweight, compact, and slips into any drawer without hogging space. Dishwasher safe, quick to use, and always neat. Your snacks and salads never look so put together with so little effort. Small sink, big chaos? Not anymore. These cute corner baskets snap onto your faucet and turn unused space into a handy little helper. The adjustable handle fits almost any sink, and the tiny drainage holes let water run out fast so you never deal with soggy scraps. Use them for rinsing fruit, catching food bits, or holding your sponge, whatever makes your kitchen flow better. 4 sturdy feet keep the basket steady on the counter, too. Big squeeze, tiny storage. This clever flooser folds completely flat, so you get powerful juicing without giving up a single inch of drawer space. Just unfold, pop in a lemon or lime, and press sideways with both hands. The pivoting design multiplies your force for shockingly easy juice with way less effort. No seeds, no mess, no bulky metal contraptions. It's sturdy, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and the real deal straight from Dream Farm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.